What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, The Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there still scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today, I'm going to tell y'all how to run up a bag, how to really get that $50,000 no dot. All you need is an LLC, EIN number, how to really craft your business credit, how to get your personal credit together, how to really understand how credit is supposed to be ran. Because if you don't know, well, now you know. Credit is the #1 money game in the world. You can get $50,000 no docs business loans. All you gotta do is follow instructions to these videos that I'll be giving you, and I'm finna show y'all how to really run up the bag in 2024. Now, it's a lot of people out there who watch my videos who just want quick plays and quick ways how to make a quick 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $30,000. Now, let me explain something to you guys and everybody out there that's watching my videos and want to learn how to start making money, want to learn how to start making money fast, want to start making passive income to create generational wealth, enter financial freedom. When it comes to making money, it is not an overnight thing. You have to actually learn how to do something so you can be able to do it. If you don't know how to do something, you're not going to be able to do it. So if everybody out there want to get loans and credit cards and lines of credit under CPNs and do this and do that, you have to learn how to do credit first. Because if you don't know how to do credit, you won't know how to get a credit card, a line of credit, a loan, or nothing, under nothing. Point blank, period. So if you're somebody who's watching my video and you want to start making money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, then pay attention, because I'm going to show you how to do it the easiest way as possible. But you somebody that just want to hand out, somebody out there that don't want to learn how to do nothing, somebody out there that just wants somebody to give you some money, somebody to do some type of quick play for you to get some money, then this probably won't be for you. But if you're somebody who's tired of being broke, you're somebody who's tired of working that 9-to-5 job, you're somebody who's ready to start putting yourself in position to make $50,000 or more in passive income a month, you ready to start making hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, off new LLCs and EIN numbers, and really build your brand, your platform, your business, then we about to get it popping. 2024 is going to be a new year, a new way to start getting rich, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. And y'all see everybody else doing it on the social media platforms, and Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. So this $50,000, you can get it with just an LLC and your EIN number. 2024, we get in the bag, and now I'm going to show y'all how to do it. So basically, if you want to get this $50,000, you want to get the bag, you're really ready to take off, you're really ready to elevate your life, first thing you need to do is understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. Everything revolves around credit. If you don't got credit, you don't have anything. Credit is showing these lenders and these banks that you've done an X amount in your life. You got an X amount of money being linked to your name that you're financing, that you're paying back on time at the right speed and things like that, right? So boom. Credit, you got personal credit, you got business credit. Business credit is a whole new entity. So you don't need your personal credit when it comes to business credit, long as you have it set up the right way. So with that being said, we're going to focus on business credit, because personal credit, any loan, credit card, or line of credit, is on me. You need that for emergency purposes only. I'm finna call you back. Boom, you need it for emergency purposes only. Anything on the business side is meant for business purposes only. So they understand that you need money to make money. So they're going to lend you this money so you can go do whatever you need to do to make money, pay that loan back, and make you profit and continue the process. That's how the rich get rich, And the poor stay poor because they don't understand credit. They don't want to learn credit, and they don't understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. Also, we wasn't taught credit in school, so it's kind of hard for people to understand and learn credit on their own. But if you really want to learn credit, you really want to become successful, that's why a lot of people watch my videos to become successful, making money, credit, getting cars, lines of credit, credit cards, everything, all right? Because everything that I'm telling you guys, I am not just talking and saying. I am literally doing what I'm doing myself. I'm putting myself in a position to get higher limit loans, credit cards, lines of credit for my production company, for my credit repair business, for my real estate business, so I can invest and make more passive income instead of a lot of people just want to get money to worry about chains and Rolexes and things like that. It doesn't really matter. I mean, some things are investment pieces, which is okay, but you don't need all that. Start worrying about what matters. Start worrying about putting yourself in position to start making 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, quarter million, a half a million, $1 million a month in passive income. That's money that you're making without having to move a muscle. It's just like when you buy a house and you rent it out, and each month they pay you rent. That's passive income. So you want to put yourself in a position to make this passive income. That's the #1 rule. That's the #1 money game right there. So you want to understand your business credit. You want to get you an LLC. Once you get your LLC, you want to get your EIN number. Once you get your EIN number, you're going to take that EIN number, you're going to go to a credit union or a smaller local bank in your area, and you're going to get you a business bank account, checking, and savings. Once you go to 2 or 3 banks and you open up a business bank account with that EIN number that you just got, you're going to go to Experian.com, because now we're going to cheat a little bit. We're going to go to Experian.com. We're going to pay $24, $25 a month to see our FICO scores. We got 3 FICOs, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. We're going to see all our FICOs, our debt, everything, right? So we're going to see our debt. We're either going to get our debt down or we're going to build our debt, because the more positive debt that we have on our credit report is a positive reflection on us. So if you want to get these major loans and lines of credits and credit cards ASAP with your business credit, you're going to use your personal credit as a personal guarantor. So what you're going to do is, now a lot of people say, oh, you only need 2 trade lines and two credit cards to get this. Well, we're not worried about the smaller bags. We're trying to get the big bags. So if you really want to get $250,000 in loans and credit cards and lines of credit, you're going to need more trade lines. You're going to need more AUs. AUs are authorized users. Those are credit card accounts that you can place on your credit report that will reflect, you don't get the card, but it will reflect on your credit report that you're paying off on this high limit credit card, and it will look good for you to get your own credit cards or lines of credits or credit or loans. All right. So now that you got your EIN number, now you got your LLC, now you got your 2 to 3 business bank accounts with your EIN number, you're going to establish your business. You're going to get your business email, a business website. You're going to get your number registered with the your business number and register with the 401 National Directory. You'll get your Dun and Bradstreet number. You're going to get a virtual address. You're going to start getting your business together so you can start tracking your business credit score, which is calculated on a Paydex/PayNet score. As long as you have an 80 or better on your business credit score, you are classified as a good liability to get higher limit loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. How do you get that 80? Easy. So once you got your LLC, your EIN number, your bank account, so you getting your business established, you can start getting things under your business name using your EIN number. So now you can go get you net 30 accounts that will report to your business credit within 30 days. So you got 30 days to pay off these accounts, and it will report to your business credit. The faster you pay it off, the better it'll reflect on your business credit. So all you gotta do is go search net 30 accounts. Buy as many net 30 accounts as possible. 5,000 would be great. You get you $5,000 worth of net 30 accounts. You pay it off within 30 days. Boom. Now that you got those net 30 accounts, you paid it off within 30 days. You go to creditstrong.com. You get their business credit builder account. Then you go to trade line supply. You get you at least 5 AU accounts. So you get you 5 $30,000 credit cards reporting to your credit. That's $150,000 right there that you already got reporting to your business credit, plus the other trade line from creditstrong.com, plus you got the net 30 accounts. Now you can start getting approved for higher limit loans, higher limit credit cards, and lines of credit with your business in your new small startup business. Easy as that. It's just a process. As long as you understand how to build credit, how to clean and build your personal credit, getting this money will not be hard, because a lot of people want to get money to buy chains and this and be flashy and look good for people who don't care, when you need to be getting the money to invest in yourself to make more passive income. Because you get that money and you spend it, who's to say you might have a hard time getting it back? And instead of getting that money, getting this $50,000 and investing into property, investing into a business, and investing into something that's going to make you passive income, that's the way to go. All right. So shout out to everybody that's been paying attention to these videos. You ready to get that bag in 2024? You really ready to get that $50,000 loan from these smaller banks with your LLC, EIN number, small startup businesses, new LLCs? Get you 2 to 3 bank accounts with these 3 different banks. Go apply after you do everything I just told you to do, and I guarantee you, no documents, nothing needed. All you gotta do is they gonna go off a signature and state of income. All right, you tell them how much you make, you get them your signature, and you gonna get approved for this bag. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get that new age credit repair handbook that will teach you step by step how to clean and rebuild your personal credit and establish your business credit, get loans, lines of credits, and credit cards, start getting these $50,000, $100,000, $50,000, $100,000, $250,000, $500,000 loans, tap in, get your new age credit repair handbook right now for $250 before prices go up. You can contact or DM or purchase at New Age Credit Repair on IG and on Telegram. Right, so all you gotta do is type in New Age Credit Repair and it will pop up, and it also comes with the CPN package. Also, for a limited time only, please pay attention when I'm telling y'all this, because y'all watch my videos and y'all just don't pay attention, or y'all don't feel like what I'm saying is true, or what I'm saying I won't do. So please, for a limited time only, FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems is $600. Regular price is $1,200, but for a limited time only, it is $600. In the FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, you will get the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 free live cards, a new age credit repair handbook, how to make passive income, how to make $50,000 a month, all passive income, all profit, sitting on your introduction to the dark web, how to make DW sites, plus more. All right, so make sure. I'm gonna teach you how to start making money, point blank, period. Everything ain't for everybody, but we're gonna figure out what's for you and how you can start making money. The goal is to work smarter, not harder. You want to do as least as possible to make as much as possible. You don't want to go out there ripping and running and doing this and doing that. You want to do these ways. I'm gonna put you in the position to make the money. All right, so $600 FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. Don't miss out on this limited time deal. Also, mentorships is $2,500. I'm gonna take you under my wing, show you how to make passive income with everything, show you how to make passive income off YouTube, start running up your channels, your views, your subscribers, and start just posting content all day and making money. Also, we're back in effect, the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. In person, you come to me, it's gonna be $4,500. If I gotta come out of state to you, it's gonna be $5,500. All right, and you also have to pay for my flight and hotel. All right. In the in-person limited gems, you'll get everything with the limited gems, but I guarantee you will leave from that lesson making some money. Don't be a follower, be a leader. You want to be able to make the easiest money as possible. So I'm going to show you how to be a vendor. I'm going to show you how to be the plug. I'm going to show you how to put yourself in position to make passive income. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know so you can leave and win. You can start making money while we at that table. You just got to pay attention and play your role and do what you need to do, all right? Because I'm the teacher, you're the student. Students got to go home and practice and do the test and pass so they can go on. So make sure y'all booking y'all seats on the in-person limited gems. You come in-state to me, $4,500. If I come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $5,500. You got to pay for my flight and my hotel. So please stop writing me, asking me the same questions that I say in over 800 videos. You will not get a response or you will be blocked. So please follow instructions. Anybody out there looking to get their 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards for $320, Cash App or Bitcoin payment, contact me on my Telegram, Wealth and Riches, which is posted in every description on every video at the bottom and in my community post on every post, so you cannot get scammed by no fake King Hustle page. I do not have a King Hustle Telegram, so any King Hustle Telegram is a fake. Do not get scammed. Don't miss out, because people making this money. Y'all see everybody in the world making this money, so don't miss out. You just got to follow instructions. Don't be too thirsty, and I guarantee you'll get you some money, all right? So 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, $320. Tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches. Link is in my community post and in my description on every video. Or you can contact me on King Hustle X1M on my IG. Link is in my community post and in all my descriptions. Also, anybody out there, we got the new age, the Hussle Nation World Tour shirts out. Anybody looking to get their shirt plus either the Cash App method or the how to make 50K a month off profit and 1 free live card for $200. But if you just want a t-shirt, they $150, all right? Oversized t-shirts, distressed, thick cotton, thick fabric. Y'all see the videos that I post all over. I'm in competition with all these other brands, you know what I'm saying? So these are good shirts, y'all. See how thick they is. Real thick, oversized t-shirts, screen print, good, you know what I'm saying? Good fabric, all that. $200. With the shirts, you're going to get either the Cash App glitch or how to make 50K a month, all profit plus 1 free live card. So do not miss out on this opportunity. Only got 50 available. The rest is going in store. So make sure you tap it in. Get your t-shirt, get your methods, book your lessons, and let's get to this money. It's financial freedom. We back in effect. 2024, we're running out of a bag. I'm going to show you how to get rich. And we out there. This is your boy, King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.